assalamualaikum everyone. So I received a parcel and I will share it with you because I'm so excited. And actually, napagastos na naman tayo mga mima, mga momshias. So let's see, the first one is ito. Ano na naman bang pinagkagastusan natin? Ooh! Kasi yung old na, this is a mouse pad. Yung old na mouse pad ko, guys, for how many years na rin to survive sa akin. Parang ESL years ko pa, which was year 2020. So, like 5 years na rin siya. So, goodbye na, Hello Kitty. And I bought this one. Meron siyang parang something soft here so that you can, pwede mong parang naka-rest lang yung ano, hindi siya mangawit. Yun na. So cute. So cute, so cute, so cute si Snoopy. Maraming choices, guys. Maraming choices. And it's just like 50 or 60 pesos. Kailangan ba natin tanggalin tong sa baba? I don't know. But anyway, I like it for my mouse pad. And this one, binili ko rin sa same shop. And look, I'll add the price and I'll try to add if there's the link there. Oh, I like it. I like it. Mahilig ako sa mga ganito. Pouches. Kasi pwede siya lalagyan ng makeup kit. Pwede din siya para sa mga crayons ng iyong kids. 'Di ba? It's like an organizer. Mini organizer talaga. And what's this? Guys, hindi ko na talaga maalala kung anong mga pinagbibili ko. Let's see, what's this? Mukhang yung aking gunting is not here. Ginamit na naman. Hindi ko maalala ano ba ito? Parang mahaba siya. Let's see. Okay, guys. So, this is for my laptop. Kasi yung parang stand niya sa likod para medyo mataas naman yung ano ng laptop ko. Kasi nasa table lang siya. Okay, let's see. I'm excited. Yay! Nice. Very secured siya kasi naka-bubble wrap. Tapos, it's very handy. You can bring it if you have any family trips, vacations. Wow! How do we use this? So, you see? Parang nafa-fold mo siya. I suppose it's something like this. So, we'll figure that, here. Parang, yan.